Good afternoon, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Yes.
Welcome to the Dirty Street.
Yeah.
How are you today, Ma'am?
I'm fine. I'm happy that I have seen him. And he's okay, but he's so fit. Skin and bones. Ito lagi sa picture na ito. She's really that, you know. And I asked him when he want to eat the food. Sabi niya, ayaw daw ng food. Ayaw na, and pabalik-balik daw.
Hindi ba siya nilulutuan ng mga Filipino food?
No. No.
So whatever lang.
Yeah, then at least he said that he is no longer taking any meds.
Oh.
At least okay yan, no? He's healthy. Parang tingin ko ha, he's healthy, but as an old man,
You never know.
yeah, tulad mahina na maglakad, you know. Yan na.
But how is he with the weather, Ma'am, lately? Kasi sobrang init ng weather lately.
I told him, sabi ko, malamig. Sabi niya, may init naman. Sabi ko, malamig pa rin para sa akin. Sabi niya, oh,